Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure the Esp32 board drivers and libraries are installed and your IDE targets the correct COM port. Once done, create a Firebase project and enable real-time database because you need its URL and API key for the device to authenticate. Next, install the Firebase client library for Arduino or Platform I/O and add your Wi-Fi SSID and password as constants in the sketch, so the board can connect on boot. You now edit the example sketch. Replace placeholder strings with your API key and real-time database URL because that binds this device to your project. Once the code includes Wi-Fi credentials, call Wi-Fi. Begin and then Firebase. Begin with your key and URL. Make sure to enable Firebase. Reconnect Wi-Fi true so the client handles drops. After initialization, test with basic calls like Firebase. Set node to write and Firebase. Get into read, observing serial output to confirm round-trip data. You finish by validating stability and security. Load the sketch, monitor the serial console at 115,200 baud, and verify successful Wi-Fi and Firebase authentication messages. Make sure database rules permit your operations or set temporary open rules for testing, then lock them down. If things go wrong, check API key and database URL accuracy, confirm region mismatch isn't causing issues, and consider enabling verbose logging in the client. One troubleshooting tip: rotation of credentials or wrong DB rules are the most common failure points.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.